Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video, we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Vatic Pro PRISM Flash. Vatic Pro PRISM 16mm pickleball paddle, carbon fiber, lightweight and durable, all skill levels, adult, 16.3 by 7.7, 5.3-inch grip. Elevate your pickleball game with the Vatic Pro PRISM 16mm pickleball paddle, expertly crafted for players of all skill levels. Engineered with high-quality carbon fiber, this paddle delivers unmatched strength, precision, and responsiveness, making every shot feel effortless. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player, the PRISM 16mm is designed to enhance control, power, and overall performance on the court. Measuring 16.3 by 7.7 inches with a 5.3-inch grip, the paddle offers an ergonomic fit that reduces strain during long matches, ensuring comfort and maximum handling. Weighing only 8 ounces, it provides an ideal balance of lightness and stability, allowing for quick reaction times and smooth swings. Its carbon fiber frame and shaft guarantee durability and consistent performance, while the 16mm thickness gives a perfect mix of power and control for aggressive smashes and precise placement shots. The sleek, modern design not only looks professional but also offers excellent maneuverability, making it suitable for recreational play, competitive matches, or training sessions. Lightweight, durable, and versatile, the Vatic Pro PRISM 16mm pickleball paddle is the perfect choice for adults seeking a paddle that delivers power, comfort, and superior performance. Step onto the court with confidence and experience the perfect blend of precision, durability, and style with the Vatic Pro PRISM 16mm pickleball paddle, your ultimate companion for every game. Number 2. Bread and Butter Filth. Jolla Vision 16mm pickleball paddle, textured carbon grip surface, polypropylene honeycomb core, maximum spin, control and power, 4.25-inch grip, adult. Take your pickleball performance to the next level with the Jolla Vision 16mm pickleball paddle, engineered for players of all skill levels seeking superior spin, control, and power. Featuring textured carbon grip surface technology, this paddle allows you to generate maximum spin on every shot, giving you a competitive edge on the court. Whether you're setting up precision shots or executing aggressive smashes, the Jolla Vision offers unparalleled responsiveness and handling. Constructed with a durable carbon fiber frame and shaft, combined with a lightweight polypropylene honeycomb core, this paddle strikes the perfect balance between strength and maneuverability. Measuring 16mm thick and weighing just 7.84 ounces, it provides exceptional control without sacrificing power, allowing you to play with confidence during long matches or intense rallies. The 4.25-inch grip ensures a secure and comfortable hold, reducing hand fatigue and enhancing your swing precision. Designed for adult players of all experience levels, the Jolla Vision pickleball paddle is ideal for recreational play, competitive matches, or training sessions. Its modern, sleek design not only looks professional but also delivers functional performance with every hit. Step onto the court equipped with the Jolla Vision 16mm pickleball paddle and experience the perfect combination of spin, control, and added power. Dominate your game, outmaneuver your opponents, and enjoy the confidence of using a high-performance paddle engineered for precision and durability. Number 3. Gearbox Pro Power. Gearbox G20 Pickleball Paddle, 20mm honeycomb core, raw carbon fiber surface, one-piece molded construction, lightweight 8.0 ounces, control, spin and power, intermediate skill level. Elevate your pickleball game with the Gearbox G20 Pickleball Paddle, designed to deliver an exceptional blend of control, spin, and power for players seeking precision and performance. Featuring a 20mm honeycomb core and raw carbon fiber surface, this paddle ensures every shot is fast, accurate, and responsive. The one-piece molded construction enhances durability and consistency, making it a reliable choice for intermediate players looking to improve their game. Measuring 15.875 inches x 4 inches with a 4-inch grip, the Gearbox G20 offers a comfortable, secure hold that minimizes hand fatigue during long matches. Weighing just 8 ounces, this paddle is lightweight yet sturdy, allowing for quick reactions, agile movements, and effortless swings. The combination of carbon fiber and fiberglass materials provides an ideal balance of power and control, ensuring your shots are both precise and effective. Suitable for players of all ages and designed for intermediate skill levels, the G20 is perfect for recreational games, competitive matches, or practice sessions. Its sleek, modern design not only looks professional, but also enhances your on-court performance with every hit. Step onto the court with confidence and dominate your matches using the Gearbox G20 Pickleball Paddle, a high-performance paddle engineered for durability, responsiveness, and maximum control. Achieve better spin, powerful smashes, and precise placement with a paddle built to elevate your game. Number 4. CRBN 3X Power Series. CRBN X Series Power Pickleball Paddle, 16mm carbon fiber paddle with foam-injected edges for expanded sweet spot, lightweight 0.32 kilograms, adult. Take your pickleball game to the next level with the CRBN X Series Power Pickleball Paddle, designed for players of all skill levels seeking unmatched control, power, and precision. Crafted with a carbon fiber shaft and reinforced plastic frame, this paddle offers exceptional durability while remaining lightweight at just 0.32 kilograms, allowing for quick swings and effortless maneuverability on the court. The 16mm thick paddle features innovative foam-injected edges, expanding the sweet spot for improved accuracy and consistent performance, even on off-center hits. This design enhances ball control and provides added forgiveness, making it perfect for beginners and advanced players alike. The 4-inch grip ensures a secure and comfortable hold, reducing fatigue during extended matches and giving you the confidence to execute precise shots with ease. With a sleek, professional design, the CRBN X Series Power Paddle combines strength, responsiveness, and style, giving you an edge over opponents in recreational games, competitive matches, or practice sessions. Its balanced construction allows for powerful smashes, accurate placement, and superior spin, helping you dominate every rally. Ideal for adult players of all experience levels, this paddle is versatile, durable, and engineered for high-performance play. Step onto the court with the CRBN X Series Power Pickleball Paddle and experience a paddle that delivers expanded sweet spot coverage, superior control, and explosive power, giving you the confidence and performance you need to elevate your game. Number 5. 6-0 Double Black Diamond Control. Selkirk Sport LUXX Control Pickleball Paddle, Invicta Elongated Carbon Fiber Paddle, 8.1 ounces, 4 1/4. Grip, ultimate control for all skill levels. Dominate the court with the Selkirk Sport LUXX Control Pickleball Paddle, designed for players seeking precision, consistency, and superior control. Featuring an Invicta elongated shape, this paddle provides an extended reach and added leverage, making it perfect for accurate shots, volleys, and defensive plays. Crafted from premium carbon fiber, both the paddle face and frame deliver durability, responsiveness, and a lightweight feel, allowing for fast, controlled swings throughout every match. Weighing just 8.1 ounces with a 4¼ inch grip, the LUXX Control Paddle offers a perfect balance of power and finesse, ensuring comfort during extended play and minimizing fatigue. Its carbon fiber construction enhances ball control while maintaining the strength needed for precise smashes and drives. The elongated design increases the paddle's sweet spot, giving players more confidence on off-center hits while maximizing spin and placement potential. Ideal for adult players of all skill levels, the Selkirk LUXX Control excels in recreational play, competitive matches, and training sessions. Its sleek, professional design not only looks great on the court but also contributes to superior performance, allowing players to make calculated, strategic shots with every swing. Step up your game with the Selkirk Sport LUXX Control Pickleball Paddle, a high-performance, lightweight, and durable paddle engineered for precision, control, and consistency. Perfect for players who want to dominate rallies, enhance shot accuracy, and elevate their overall pickleball experience.